one of my lotion na ginagamit guys. Ayan. I really love this lotion guys because ayan, it's very soft on my skin. Ayan. And so the smell is very ano guys, ang bango. Ayan, ang bango guys, sarap amoy-amoyin. Ayan, sarap niya amoy-amoyin guys, parang ako, ang sarap. So very delicious. Ayan, ang ganda niya sa skin guys. As you can see, my skin is ano, whiten na guys, whiten and very smooth. Ayan, ang ganda niya sa balat guys. Ayan. So, ayun po. Ayan. It's ano, anti-aging to siya guys. Anti-aging body lotion at collagen. At 10 times collagen siya guys. Ayan. Soft, easy to absorb. Ayan, soothing, smooth. Ang ganda niya sa skin guys. I really love this. Ayan, I buy this guys for only 350 pesos. Ayan, I'm so happy of this guys. Ayan, it's very affordable. Ayan, very affordable guys. And then ayan, very affordable and very soft on the skin of my skin guys. Ayan, it's white on my skin. Ayan, kaya naman ito talaga yung aking ano guys, binalik-balikan. Ayan, pag naubos to siya guys, I will buy it again. I will buy it again guys because ayan, I feel so beautiful. Ayan, ang ganda ng aking skin guys. O diba, as you can see, my skin is whiten and very soft. Very soft guys. Ayan po. Ayan. So, I feel so boring at home guys. I feel so boring. Ayan. Ayan. So, this is my fashion guys. A simple fashion of mine. Ayan, ganito lang guys. Ayan, ganitong outfit lang. Ayan, ganitong fashion ko lang guys. Ayan, ano na ako, I feel so happy na. I'm so happy na guys. A simple outfit, tsaka a simple look guys. My simple beauty. My simple beauty of today guys. Ayan, I really love it. So that's it for today guys. Just ano, feeling beautiful na naman ako guys. Feeling yummy. Feeling yummy guys. My fashion for today, I really love it.